wise and get truckerized today.
Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Paul in North Carolina on this Anytone Quad 6. Paul got this bad boy rocking. One of my favorite radios out here for a compact. You can't beat the audio out of these jokers. The power for the size. ERF 2030 plus MOSFET upgrades to get this thing well over 100 watts. Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade. Electrolytic cap upgrade. Tune alignment. Let's get right to it. Gonna start with RF power all the way down. 100 watt slug. Gets you down around 2 watts. That way you have full adjustability if you decide to run an amp. Roll it up. Just a scotch under 20 watts carrier. I'm gonna show you average power swing. Hello, 62 bird average. 250 watt slug in peak. Hello, and 119 PEP. That thing is rocking. All right, Paul, we're gonna get it out to you, bud. I appreciate it. About a 3-week wait on yours. Right now we're running about 4 weeks. So if you're looking to purchase a radio, it could be up to 4 weeks wait. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.